My name is Lillian. I'm 5 and I'm doing a cooking show and it's really fun. My mommy is helping me, so do it with an adult and it's really good. I'm doing it with my mommy. You can do it with your mommy, daddy, grandma, anyone, okay? We are making a pumpkin bread mix today. Today we are going to make a Trader Joe's pumpkin bread. And they only sell this at Trader Joe's. And we have a bowl, a mixer, and a measurement bowl. It is kind of awkward. We have walnuts to make it really crunchy. And we have some cool eggs and have a little writing on it. Cute. A pumpkin bread mix and it's so yummy. I tried it before. So yummy. Olive oil and water and a bowl. It is looking like a hat. Get your pumpkin bread mix and put it in your big bowl always, okay? Like that. Put it. Oh my goodness, the pack. Okay, go in and you're gonna mix it for a biscuit. Now you're gonna get the walnuts and put them in your bowl and smash them with your hands. Okay. So, get the walnuts and there. It's really fun, right, Mommy? And the walnuts are the secret ingredient. What happened? Now you're gonna pour your oil inside your bowl. I can't wait to eat this, Mommy, Daddy. Okay, that's it. Now my mommy's putting 1 cup of water and I'm gonna mix it. See how I'm doing it? Good. Okay. Now all of the ingredients are done. We're gonna just mix it. Feel like me, it's really gonna be really yummy. Now I'm gonna rub butter all over the baking pan. Just like this. Your hands are gonna get slimy when you're done with your butter and it's ooh, it's so cool, Mama, right? Now we're gonna spread it even for it to be smooth. Now we are gonna wait for 1 hour to get baked. Alright guys, we waited 1 hour and now it's time for me to eat it. Really delicious. Bye guys!